Respectfully, I request to the leadership, the representative of United Nations. On July 2nd, 2026, Tibetan freedom activists Logha Ransin self-immolated in front of United Nations headquarters in New York City. His act of sacrifice is unified crying from 6 million Tibetan people. At this very moment, the Chinese government, so-called the Ethnic Unity and Progress Law, is being enforced inside Tibetan with growing intensity, systematically erasing the Tibetan language and identity and religion and culture. It is a real form of genocide inside Tibet. Since 2009, more than 170 Tibetans have already self-immolated for draw the attention of the international community to the situation inside Tibet. Yet the international community has still not taken decisive action. In this case, I submit the following appeal to the United Nations. 1. The Chinese government must halt all wrong policy, including this evil law. 2. We Tibetan people must be granted the full human rights, including the right to the general autonomy or independence. In the words of the Logha Ransin's final message, he asked to us to continue the struggle for Tibetan freedom so that his sacrifice is not in vain. Now is the time for the international community to awaken and take real actions. Otherwise, His Holiness 14th Dalai Lama passed away. We Tibetans must do more protesting against the CCP or the PRC. Pre-Tibet. Pejalo. Thank you.